An operator must be at the location because the push button or switch of a manual controller directly controls the flow of current from the power supply to the motor. A manual controller is usually located near the motor it operates. This way, an operator can make sure that the equipment is operating properly and can take action to correct any problems that occur. Another common way that an AC motor can be controlled is by using magnetic controllers. Magnetic controllers move contacts by means of electromagnetic switches instead of push buttons or other switches. One type of electromagnetic switch used in magnetic controllers is a contactor. Generally speaking, a contactor is an electromagnetic switch in a controller that directly controls the power to a motor. When the contactor is energized, an electromagnetic field moves an armature that closes sets of contacts to complete a current path from a power source to a motor. One of the advantages of using a contactor is that it can be energized from a remote location using a voltage that is lower than the voltage that is used to energize the motor it controls. This way, the person operating the motor does not have to get close to high voltage when they start and stop high voltage motors.